Hi everyone. So I want to show you how to do a PSD mockup, and this is that demo. Just so you know, I did get this poster mockup from Free Pick, which I've done a video before on. I have a subscription. This is what it looks like when I download that. So I have all of this, and I have that PSD mockup, which I currently have up. So this is not perfect. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So I've made sure that, we can put Chelsea's poster in here. So let's talk about that. The first thing, let's get familiar with this. So there are a couple of things that I don't love about this. Number one, it has like fold marks. So I can get rid of those fold marks right here, and then it's just the poster. Number two, I'm having you guys make these PSD mockups because I felt like if we weren't going to be in class printing things off, that we should at least make things that you could use for your portfolio website. And so I don't love the fact that this is brown here. I would want all of my backgrounds or PSD mockups to be gray so that it doesn't interfere with the look of the work, that the work is the thing that's highlighted. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to hit Command A, and I'm going to hit Command C, which is copy, and I'm going to hit Command N, which is new. So any of that is up here. So you go to Edit, copy, or well, actually you go to select all, you go to edit, down to copy, and then I'm going to go to new. But I'm teaching you key commands so that you can, sorry you guys, I had to stop the video because I have a 5-year-old on my lap watching this video and 2 fighting doodles. So life is hectic. All right, so I don't like this brown back or flooring, and who knows, it might interfere with the look of my website. So I'm going to hit Command A, which is all. First I have to be in Photoshop. Command, which is select all, copy, and again I'm going to do Command N, which is new. Now you can see some things about the size of this document. It's 72 pixels, and if we show inches, you can see that it's giant. So if we were to ever print this for a portfolio, we could double the resolution to 200 and half the size to like 15 inches by almost 15 inches. Actually, this would be 17 by almost 11. It's probably 11 by 17. Pretty close. Not really, because that doesn't work out. Anyway, so it is okay for us to print. I'm going to hit Command V. I'm going to come up here to Image and Mode, go down to Grayscale, and I am not going to flatten and discard. And I'm going to Command A again, Command C again, and bring this back into our document. So I'm going to Command V right there. All right, so we have this set up so that we got rid of these like forced fold lines. I didn't like those, so I don't want those. Now the only thing left is for us to drop our mock-up in, and this does not fit in as nicely as it could. So I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to use Chelsea's beautiful poster. I'm going to hit Command A and Command C. I'm going to go back into our mock-up, and I'm going to hit Command V, and you can see that it's small, but I can go ahead and scale it. So I'm going to go under Edit, down to Transform and Scale, and I'm going to go ahead and scale this. And I'm zooming out so I can see those, oops. You don't have to hold down Shift anymore, and I have this habit that I need to do that, and I don't need to do it anymore. All right. So we're going to keep scaling, keep scaling, keep scaling, keep scaling, keep scaling. Now, you can see that this does not fit well, but it's okay because we have a little bit of space up there at the top that we can deal with. We don't have to manipulate it, and if that's the case, don't. I can take some of that space at the top and move that over so that this guy is centered. And worst case scenario, we could come to canvas size and increase this a little bit if we needed, but this is close enough. And so I'm going to hit cancel, and then I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to hit save. And if we come back into our PSD mockup, you can see that our image is there. Now I want to go ahead and save this. I'm going to do a save as, so that it is in my folder with all my other demo stuff in case I need to bring this up. I don't want to go through all of this again. This is project 1, and this is her mockups, and I'll just do that. Now, for posting, obviously, you're going to do a save as, and then you're going to make this into a JPEG. So we're going to do final poster. And so that way we're sending this in as a final thing. One last thing I forgot to point out, like because this is something I downloaded from the web, it is RGB, and I'm going to keep it because we're working on the web, but if you were printing it out, you would want to do CMYK. Thanks.